I just finished completely setting up my frame TV and it's looking great. I've got the 50-inch frame TV from Samsung. It's a 4K HDR TV, smart TV as well. Comes with Alexa, Bixby, and also Google Voice Assistant. But the reason why most people buy this TV really is not for all those smart features, right? Not even for the best picture quality. This TV don't have the best picture quality. Most people that buy this TV is because of the art mode that this TV comes with, which lets you use the TV just like an art piece, right? It gives you that flexibility with the art mode. You can get to display like some wonderful art pieces from other people, like paintings, or maybe like some photos, or even like photos that you've taken on your phone as well, right? You can easily display those on this TV. That's the reason why most people buy. And also, if you buy the bezel that Samsung sells, or maybe like customized ones, it kind of make this TV like look completely like a art piece when it's off, right? And that's the reason why I definitely bought this TV, because one, I'm not really a TV type of person. I don't watch TVs that much. All my previous TVs, like, it's mostly my friends that use it when they come over, but for me, for the most part, I don't get to use them that much at all. So I can pretty much go without a TV. If I have my computer, I'm just fine, right? I'll just watch my YouTube videos on my computer. The TV is not needed for that. So a couple weeks ago, I started thinking of maybe I should just replace my TV with something more creative, right? More fun. I did a similar thing in my bedroom as well, because I used to have a TV in my bedroom, but now it's not that. It looks so beautiful now with the setup that I have on. I'll leave a link in this description so you can watch the full video of like how I decided, or how I changed my whole bedroom setup, right? But yeah, so I wanted to do this similar thing in my living room, but I figured that I may still need a TV, really, because since my friends usually come over on the weekend, right? We pretty much don't have the same interest, and sometimes the TV is just like a nice way to have conversation going. So the way I decided to balance both my personal interests and just to have the TV as well for when people come over, so they can have something to watch and relax, I decided to go with the frame TV, right? Since that seemed like the solution for both of those walls, right? And I'm loving it. So like I said, I've been able to like display some beautiful photos on there, and when I'm at work, I can just easily turn behind and, you know, get inspiration from the picture that I'm seeing currently on the screen. Sometimes it'll be like a vacation type of photo, right? Which is very nice to have, instead of just having like a big black box when the TV is off. Now it's look way more better. And also, like, I'm into photography as well, right? I take photos when I travel, sometimes even like just around, right? And I do share those on social media. You can follow me as well on Instagram. But I feel like on social media, like, I don't usually go back to my profile and slide all the way down and see like some of the previous photos that I've taken like a while ago. But with the frame TV, I should be able to just have them display like on a slideshow, maybe like on a daily basis, just swipe the photo, right? And it would just bring back that nice memory of the time that I took the photo, or maybe a specific thing that I was doing when I was taking that photo, right? So that's another reason why I got this TV. Well, the big question is, do you need a frame TV really to do stuff like that? Maybe not. I'm pretty sure there's a whole another solution, or even cheap alternatives to do the similar stuff, but the frame TV is just what is popular for that, right? And I'm assuming it's the top quality. Based on what I'm seeing right now, it seems like the top quality. This one that I got is a 50-inch 2021 version. We're currently in 2022. I would just say 2023, right? Because we're in December, almost halfway through December now. So is it still worth buying 2021 version when the 2023 version might be coming out? I don't know what the 2023 version gonna be like, so I can't speak on that. But as far as I know, between the 2021 and 2022, the difference really pretty much is the 2022 version have a anti-glare coating to the screen. So for example, right, if the when the TV is off and if there's lights coming to the screen, you don't get to see the reflection on the TV, just like the same way most TVs are like. For example, the frame TV behind me right now, right, I have my light source right in front of me here. You can pretty much see the reflection on the TV behind me a little bit. The TV's on this side, by the way. 2022 version can pretty much eliminate that. And does it worth paying the extra bucks for that feature? Maybe yes, especially for someone that really into like the painting type of photos, right? You want it to look like very, very real when you're paying this amount of money for that TV. So the anti-glare would look make the photos look super dope, right? Like it would almost make it seem like it's just an art piece, right? To me, I didn't really think that was necessary in my case, because one, the looks that I was going for, I think the glare actually made fits better for that look, right? And what do I mean by that, really? I have like other frames, photo frames that I have around my TV, like glass photo frames, and in reality, right, even like actual picture frames, right, if there's light coming through them, they do get that reflection on them as well. So I feel like that's more real to me. And if the frame TV have that little bit reflection on it, light reflection on it, it's not a big deal. And to be honest, actually, my friends came over last night. We had a game night. The TV was off. One of them actually asked me, he was like, man, is this really a TV or is it just a picture frame, right? And that's exactly the reaction I want to get from this TV, from other people as well, not just me. But yeah, does it worth buying? The 2022 version, it's up to you. Like that's how I would just leave it. You just have to decide. But if you just somewhere like me that don't really care much about the functions of the TV itself, you just need it to display your art pieces, or maybe just look at all the people's beautiful art pieces, right? Then 2021 version can save you a couple bucks, and this one's actually pretty heavily discounted now. I think you can find them used or refurbished or even open box for around $700 to $800, and brand new I think it's just around like $900 to $1,000 for this size that I have. So yeah, thanks so much for sticking to this end of it. I hope I help you guys answer your question. But I'm loving this TV, man. Like I always look forward to like just see like what photo coming up the next day, which is, you know, sparks the creative in me, right? So yes, check out my other video as well. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. But anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.